In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to download your class workbook. Your workbook has been moved to a digital format to create a more interactive experience for you. This way, you can have the workbook on your phone or computer or print it off to bring to the class. The digital workbook file can be found in your personal 3 Key Elements Online Academy. Starting from the 3 Key Elements website, select Online Academy in the top right corner. This will bring you to the login page, where you'll enter your username and password. Your username is your email address. Your password can be found in this email you've received, or you can select Forgot Password here. Once you've logged into your online academy, choose the Queen of the Kingdom tab in the menu at the top of the page. You'll then choose your event dates on the left sidebar. Then find the Download button. You can click this button to download your class workbook. Now you can download the workbook onto your phone or mobile device to bring to the event and refer to during the class. Or if you'd like, you could also download the file to your computer to print off and bring to the class. Thank you so much for following these instructions, and we can't wait to see you at the class.